Hi, good day, dear listeners. Today I am here with the birds. It's known as a small birds, bulbul. You can say it has 2-3 colors, and it's the voice when you go around, and they feel harmless, and then they come near you. Even your presence doesn't make any difference for them, but they keep themselves at a distance, and we can hear the voices. So when we see and look at the bird, it attracts us a lot. See the beautiful colors. Really, it's nice and beautiful. So I thought let it be shared with the audience and see how you people react for the small birds, and especially the blue color, which is not exactly visible, and I'll try to focus it. They are best creature of the God. When we see, we feel attractive towards them, and it gives a peace of mind. Sometimes we need to be lonely and enjoy the birds as if they are our companion and friends.